Okay, so after the earlier video for relationship between related physical quantities using dimensional analysis, we are now looking out for conversion factor between units of same physical quantity into different systems of units. Use of dimensional analysis. So we will do it for work. It is joules in SI system and it is ergs in CGS system. It is joule in SI system and erg in CGS system. Now dimensional formula for work. Dimensional formula for work is basically work is force into displacement. That is, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So basically you have mass, which is, so work is equal to force into displacement. Force is mass into acceleration into displacement. So we have mass is kg, acceleration meter per second square, and displacement is meter. So ultimately we have kg meter square upon second square, or if you take it up, we have kg meter square second minus 2. Okay, kg meter square per second square. So dimensional formula basically will be for work is mass m raised to 1 m raised to 1 meter square, that is L, and time. This is the basic formula for. Now we can write this as dimensional formula. Okay, now this is the basic formula. Now for SI and CGS we can take this as 1 M1 L1 T1 M2 L2 T2. So we will get M1 raised to 1, L1 raised to 2, T1 raised to minus 2. This is in SI, and this will be equal to, we don't know the relation between these two. Okay, dimensions will be same. So we say M2 1, L2 2, T2 minus 2. And we put some variable x. Okay, we put some variable x because we want to find out the conversion factor. So now we put x at one end and we take this below this, which would be equal to x. So we will have, so this is in CGS. Okay, x is equal to m1 raised to 1, l1 raised to 2, t1 raised to minus 2 upon m2 raised to 1, l2 square, t2 raised to minus 2. Okay, now what we will do is we will separate this out. Okay, m, l and t, we will separate this out. Okay, so if we separate this out, we will get x is equal to m1 upon m2 raised to 1, because 1 raised to 1 raised to 1 raised to 2 raised to 2. So we get L1 upon L2 raised to 2 and T1 upon T2 raised to minus 2. Now what we will do is we will actually put the units in this. Okay. Now in SI system, this is m1 upon m2. m1 is how much? Kg. So basically here you will have kg. m2 is gram. 1 kg 1 gram raised to 1. Okay, here you will have L1. In SI unit, the length of the unit of length is meter. So you will have 1 meter upon 1 meter raised to 2. Okay, and in SI unit, in CGS you have meter only. Gram, centimeter, sorry. You will have centimeter. So here you will have 1 centimeter in CGS. The denominator is in CGS and the numerator is in SI. SI and CGS, in both the unit of time is second. So you will have 1 second upon 1 second raised to -2. Okay. So if you look at this now, this will be equal to, say, 1000 grams upon 1 gram into 100 centimeter upon 1 centimeter. Second cancels out, so this is equal to 1. Okay, so here again gram cancel, centimeter cancel, so you get 1000 in 1000 raised to 1 into raised to 2. So 1000 raised to 1 into 100 raised to 2. So this is 10 raised to 1000 raised to 1 is 1000 into 100 square is 4. So we get 1000000, which is equal to 10 raised to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70. So we get the value of x is equal to 10 raised to 7. So therefore we can write as 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 Rn. Clear?